In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Foxit PDF Editor. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by going to Foxit eSign up top, and then over here, when you create your account and sign into your account, you will already have kind of the presets for your signatures, and over here, you can, for example, just click on this first one and just place it wherever you want, like this, okay? However, if that's not what you want, because I'm assuming you actually want a real, signature, you can also do that by clicking on Manage Signatures up top, and then in here you can click on Add at the top right, and here you have a bunch of different options. You could type it in, you could draw it, you could import it, or you could just paste it over here, and then you also have the online option, which basically will allow you to, of course, put it in as well. Now here I'm going to go to draw because I do think that's going to be the easiest version, but of course if you do have the image to actually import it in to upload the signature, that's also very cool because it's going to allow you to use your own signature you maybe have written on a paper or something like that, and then actually use it to sign a PDF here inside of Foxit. So I'm going to go to draw here, and I'm just going to type in a random signature. Okay, let's just say this is a signature. Looks a bit weird, but bear with me. And then you want to click on OK, and as you can see, it's going to get added over here. Now, when you click on Close, you'll be able to see when you go up here and you click this arrow down button, it's going to show you all the signatures, and then you can just click on this one over here, which you created, and you can either just click on it to place it, or you could draw it out like this. So by holding down your left mouse button, you can select how big you want it to be, release it, and there we go. Your signature is going to get added just like that. So that's how to add a signature in Foxit PDF Editor. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.